Hello, Bola. Solomon. 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 Yo, Solomon. Solomon. Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon. Yo, Solomon. Solomon. Solomon, yo, Solomon, Solomon, Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon, yo, Solomon, 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 yo, Solomon, Solomon, Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon is Osha. Hello, Bola. Solomon, yo, Solomon, 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 yo, Solomon, Solomon. Bandla, Tata President Zuma Tata, Tata President Zuma Tata, Phansi ngoThabo Mbeki phansi, Phansi ngoThabo Mbeki phansi, uwile uThabo Mbeki uwile, uwile uThabo Mbeki uwile, uwile uCyril uwile, uwile uCyril uwile, run Cyril Ramaphosa run, run Cyril Ramaphosa run. Chikitela mkondo chikitela, chikitela mkondo chikitela, chikitela mkondo chikitela, chikitela mkondo chikitela, chikitela mkondo chikitela. Uyayivubela, uyayivubela. Babe ngaphi? Igama lami ngingubonga inkosi uGift Education madoda khanyile. Imini ungakanqa kubhandela umshini isikhafu lagazi into engalali madubule kithi moshungu shemu. Ngangifisa ukuba nje mase ngimdala. Comrades, ngizobingelela ubuholi obukhona, ngibingelela ondaba ezitha ngokukhulu ukuzithoba nabefundisi. Okwami kufishane ukuzoletha i-message of support. Comrades, siyavota nge-29 May. Siyavota, sivotela i-MK. Usathane simehlule. NgoLwesithathu uzobona ilogo ye-MK enamakhalaza MK athi thina. Eduze kwelogo uzobona ubuso bababa uJacob Gedle Hlekisa Mhlanganyelwa Zuma. Comrades, sekusele kancane comrades. We come from far. We fought this battle when many never believed We told them in their faces, if they are removing a logo of President Zuma, these elections were not going to sit. We're going to use everything in our power to ensure that these elections don't sit. And we're going to ensure that they don't sit. We are repeating it here. The Constitution allows us. Chapter 2 of the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, says we have a right to protest. We can literally stop elections with a protest. So comrades, siwinile. Ubaba uNcamalala ukhona kwiballot. Mawufika ngolesithathu uzobona lo munye ubaba onekhala elicishe lifanele lami ukuthi elamlihle. Mase ubona uNcamalala. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubani ozovotela leli khala lingakaya. Ashiya uNcamalala umsholozi. Comrades, victory is within a reach. Mawuyovota comrades kumele understand ukuthi why i-youth league ithini kuwena. What is the youth league saying? I-youth league ithi kuninga uma niyovotela i-MK nivotela ukuthi wonke ama-EPWP aqashwe njengabasebenzi abaphelele. Uma uvotela i-MK uvotela ukuthi othisha ama-security, onurse namasosha anyuselwe imholo, athole imholo ehloniphekile. Uma uvotela i-MK uvotela ukuthi umuntu ona 18 and above must go to a compulsory military conscription. Uma ona 18 hamba emasosheni. Shani izandla ngifunde emasosheni. Comrades, if uvotela i-MK, i-youth league imile. Ithi youth league, if you vote MK, sifuna i-2/3 majority. Sifuna ukushintsha i-constitution ye-country. Ngakho ke ngifuna ke nikufake emakhanda. Ubaba uNcamalala sonke siyamazi ulungile. Ubaba ohloniphekile onenhliziyo enhle. Sathola i-2/3 ngizohamba ngiyoguqa kuyena. Kwathi qeza athola i-2/3 siyawakhipha amaveni abheke phalaphala. Ngifuna uSiril kumbopha mina personally. Sathola i-2/3 soqala ngokubopha uCyril Ramaphosa ngoba unemali. Masingaqali ngayo uzobaleka ebangani bakhe eLondon. Lo munye lo uJudge Zondo akanamali ngeke abaleke sikambopha even after 2 weeks. Amandla. Comrades, i-MK mayithatha i-free education will be compulsory for all. Sizofunda mahala. Siyaya bo. Umshini wami webapha. Ay wenu yangibaphezela. Umshini wami